Exclusive viewing of Chuks Collins' newest fall-winter collection in partnership with Wonder Woman Tech.
Women are like mothers, they nurture. And so when you have the input of a woman in anything, it's gonna be great.
WBLS invades Kimoto Rooftop with famed DJ Chuck Chill Out.
It's gonna be like one of those places you come in, you're not only partying, it's a show.
Pepper steak, marinated with red stripe beer, with Celebrity Chef Patrick Simpson on this week's In the Kitchen. You're watching Come Chat With Me, a Caribbean lifestyle magazine, and I'm your host, Ziggy Bless. Chuks Collins, known for his elegant, edgy, and contemporary designs that empower women with confidence in their beauty, presents Woman his newest fall-winter collection. He describes his collection as a marriage of ethereal and architecture. Chuks Collins is known for his flawless, sustainable, and vegan pieces that are designed to make a statement. The Croatian designer partnered with Wonder Woman Tech to celebrate fashion and female empowerment with his presentation and pop-up fashion show. To highlight women and their beauty, Collins designed an exclusive capsule Fall-Winter 2019 collection titled Woman Inspired by an Everyday Woman.
My name is Chuks Collins, and this collection is tagged to the women. This has been inspired by every woman I've come across in my life, and also the streets of New York. Definitely, it's a combination of the street meets glam, and it's been inspired by the beautiful architectural line and ethereal. My mom is Nigerian, but I was born in Coventry, England. I grew up in both worlds, in both Nigeria and both in England. I'm grateful for every opportunity I've come my way. I've been through life, and life has been through me, and I just want to keep creating beautiful things to inspire women and inspire men out there. Every sale from these pieces is going to Wonder Woman Tech, an organization that inspires through STEM, and they're doing a great job out there.
All right, guys. Welcome to Fashion V's exclusive show here with Chuck Collins. We're giving shout outs to amazing women, and because today it is all about you, Women's Day. So we're here doing a special presentation in New York City, connecting creatives all over to come together to serve one purpose.
I'm out here to see the Chuck Collins presentation. It's a really great energy in the room tonight. A lot of people out here to celebrate Women's Day. It's a great festive event. We got food, we got drinks and fashion, so great reviews for me.
I really love the collection. It's really dope. It's bringing something really new to the fashion industry. As far as the designs, the texture, the pattern ways, even with my favorite, the knitwear that he has on top. So it's a really good job.
I have a saying which goes by, when you empower a woman, you empower the world. I believe in synergy between men and women, and that creates magic. Women are like mothers, they nurture. And so when you have the input of a woman in anything, it's gonna be great.
My name is Dade. I'm very, very honored to be a part of this presentation with Chuks Collins. And I think it's long overdue that women are brought to the forefront of contributions and efforts made to make the world better. I'm very, very, very grateful for this opportunity, especially in fashion, because it seems somehow that fashion is invisible, but women have really brought things out through modeling, designing, even this tribute to the women in his life, this collection. This is really, really amazing.
Being a part of this is actually really important to me because I do support women empowerment movement, and to see something like this happening with Chuck Collins is it's amazing, because I started working with him about 2 years ago, And our relationship ever since then has just, gotten more closer and better. And to see that he's doing something now with women and to support the women movement is like, it's everything.
This collection is a beautiful collection that celebrates women. And what better day to celebrate women than Women's Day?
Happy International Women's Day. I'm so blessed and happy to be alive and a part of this amazing collection.
I'm so grateful for the opportunity and just happy to celebrate International Women's Day.
My name is Trudy Knockless, and it's a pleasure for me to be a part of this show, mainly because, it's wonderful representing my sisters on International Women's Day, and also because I also love Chuks Collins fashion, and to be able to display it in front of an audience is just an honor.
Hi, my name is Tammy B.
Tatiana Lewis. And Jonna C.
And we're really excited to be here for Chuck Collins International Women's Day Photo Fashion Show.
Diplomatico is a craft spirit. Craft spirits are very popular in this day and age. It just pretty much means that, they're not a huge distillery. They're actually a small distillery, but they have a cult-like following. And this is, here you go right here. This is Don Macho on the bottle. And, it's a 100% Venezuelan-owned brand. This is our Planas variety. And this is usually like a sipping rum. So it's great for mixing with drinks or just drinking alone.
I'm a fashion designer from Togo, and I love the artistic vision that Chuck Collins has. The same goes for Le Berger, which is my company. And here is one of the bags that we actually designed. This handbag that I'm holding right now is made from cow leather. And the patches represent every area that I've been throughout the world. We have berries right here, and we also have a couple of pieces that I actually put on there, such as birds representing peace. That here it goes. As you can see two birds kissing each other. In Togo, that represents peace. Two birds kissing each other is a representation of peace and prosperity. And I also added some colors to the bags with some of Swarovski crystals to pop up the collection.
Anna is very proud to have sponsored this event because Anna supports women heavily. As you can see, the heiress herself is on the bottle. So, why wouldn't Anna support anything that involves women?
West Fuller Event is an entertainment organization dedicated to providing upscale social affairs to the tri-state area and beyond. Yeah, man, you don't know Ziggy Bless in the house. Come chat to me. We're there. The vibe is up right now. The vibe is nice. Come out to Lounge. That's the venue. Downtown Brooklyn. Trust me, the vibe is nice. The ladies, I'm looking real lovely. I'm not telling a lie. I'm having fun. So keep it locked right there. So come chat with me. We're there. Boop.
Chains on the runway, young got air. I don't land out of air now. I call it the Clearboy. Therefore, I don't want to hear more back and forth about who's hottest. Tell them girls like
you can walk here from there. I'm just saying. Crowd control's here. Chuck
chill out, he's here. Yeah, you gotta be over 40 to understand this. Swaggerific, we so swaggerific. Bamboo a giant, you're on a legit. Looking at me, I count up your 8 digit. Upshot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not. When you sweet you, what you say?
We're having a good time here.
Some of them don't wine for me. Some of them boogie down for me. I love the way the ladies will wine for me. Everybody now, like a
Yeah, man, you don't know. Come chat to me. We're in the house tonight. The vibe is nice. I'm standing next to the promoter for the event tonight, Wes. How you doing, my brother?
I'm doing fine, my brother. How you doing?
Everything is nice, man. Everything is nice. I love the vibe. I love the energy. You know what I mean? Tell us a little more about the event, you know, man, and what can we expect for the next upcoming event.
Oh, cool. So, you know, I had like 5 lounges in Brooklyn. We try to do an event every day of the week.
Wow.
Yeah, Monday, every day from Monday to Sunday, at different venues. Nice. So I try to be the Brooklyn nightlife back to Brooklyn. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, nobody had to go back to Manhattan. We can do it right here in Brooklyn.
It's a good party. Everyone's having a good time. Yeah, everything's good.
All right.
Yeah.
Tonight vibes. Is this the first one or it's a continuing thing?
This is a continuing thing. This is actually, I'm working with Wes. This is actually his second party, and everything's running very smooth. He's a great guy. He knows what he's doing. Yeah. So we're going to continue this going forward.
Where my ladies at? Where you at?
I'm having a great time.
Yeah, having a good time. At Kimono, rooftop.
How you doing, family? How you doing? This is your sister Trina Sunshine. The vibes is definitely lovely.
When the Remy's in the system, ain't no telling when I fuck them, when I diss them. That's what they be yelling, I'm up in by blood, not relation. Y'all be chasing, I'll be placed up. Drunk on Chris, money on E. Can't keep a little model, hands off me. Broke in the club, I'm singing on key. And I wish I never met her at all. We enjoying life, we having fun.
From Harlem representing. It's my birthday, 46, and I'm loving it. I got my girl right here. It's my sis' birthday, we turning it up. Thank you, sis.
Right, I'm having a wonderful time tonight. It's beautiful. I like to see my people get together and just enjoy themselves. So.
How are you enjoying yourself?
I'm doing great. Great.
What's happening? We're having a good time over here. I know that. We're having a real good time over here.
Summer's coming. This is a rooftop. You know, everything's gonna open up. We're thinking of bringing a lot of entertainment in. You know, like dancers, performers, acrobatics, like all together. It's gonna be like one of those places you come in. You're not only partying; it's a show. There's a lot going on. You know, so this is gonna be the happening spot in Brooklyn.
Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Wish by Your Day in the kitchen. This week I'm going to show you exactly how to use something that you have left over to make something totally different, something fun and enjoyable, and you're going to so much love making this dish. And I'm also going to be using some Red Stripe beer, because you don't know already, Jamaica product, Love using it. So I'm gonna use red stripe beer, and I'm gonna be doing a pepper steak that is from a piece of steak that was left over. So I'm showing you how to utilize something you have in the refrigerator, use it to make something totally different. Which part you there? In the kitchen. Let's go cook. In the kitchen. This is the beautiful piece of steak that I was telling you about, looking real nice. I'm gonna cut away a little bit of the fat, and then I'm gonna take this steak and I'm gonna basically just slice it right down the middle. As I said, this steak was done from yesterday, so if you have this steak inside your refrigerator, it's cooked nice and medium. So you can always use something that you have in the house to make something different. You just gotta know exactly what you're doing. And I'm gonna cut this in nice little strips. And then I'm gonna put this to marinate with some what? Red stripe beer. That's what I'm talking about. Some red stripe beer. That's what I'm gonna use to marinate it. And then I'm gonna saute him down, and I'm gonna make the sauce that's gonna go with it. And you're gonna so much enjoy this dish. You can have this with rice, you can have this with mashed potato, you can have this with just some veg. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt over him, and then I'm gonna pour my red stripe beer. Beautiful. And this you can take and you can put it inside your refrigerator and leave this to marinate in your refrigerator probably about 20 minutes just to get the flavor in. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Old Bay season over it. Nice. If you look, you see the beer start bubbling up. It's actually the flavor going right into the meat. I'm gonna go with my marinated oil. Put my marinated oil in. Beautiful, looking real good. Nice, that's what I'm talking about. All right, at this point, I'm gonna go with a little bit of green bell pepper. I'm gonna go with my onion. I'm gonna go with my red bell pepper. I'm gonna go with my mushroom. I'm gonna go with my mushroom, looking real good. And I'm also gonna go with some fresh garlic. And 2 cloves of my marinated garlic, I'm also gonna put inside, make him look real good. I'm gonna go with some fresh thyme. At this point, this is where I'm gonna drop some of my steak in. I'm gonna put some of my steak in because I wanna also get the flavor. All I did was just lift it out of the beer and just drop him in. That nice color contrast, going for it. Everything is looking real good. Put a little bit more pepper and a little bit more onion. Nice, beautiful. I'm getting exactly what I wanna see. Looking real good. That's what I'm talking about. If you have a little bit more red stripe beer leaf, you can also top a little bit. You can top a little bit in. Nice. You see how pretty that looks? That's it coming together. All right, guys, it's almost finished because you don't want this to cook too much or too long. You don't want it to cook too much or too long. Then I'm gonna go with my bourbon steak sauce. And bourbon steak sauce is something that you can pick up in any one of your local supermarket. Beautiful. I'm gonna just let it cook for about another 1.5 minutes and reduce down a little bit and let the gravy become nice and thick. And then we should be good to go. I'm gonna go right here with some Campari tomato. Something simple. I'm just gonna put some olive oil over it, and then I'm gonna go with some salt and pepper over him, looking real good. Some salt and pepper. Nice. I'm gonna put my tomato face down. You don't have to. Nice, looking good. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna go with my asparagus as well. that's what I want. Beautiful. Nice, looking real good. And that's exactly what I want to see. As I say, I'm serving this with something real simple, something real easy, and something different. My asparagus. As I say, you can serve with some rice, or you can serve with some mashed potato. My tomato. But sometimes you want something different. Like I say, you want something different and something that's gonna be flavorful and enjoyable. If you think about it, like I said, this is something that you had in your refrigerator. You had in your refrigerator from the day before, from a steak that you cooked, and you just make something totally different with it. That's it, guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of the sauce and drizzle right over the top, and you're looking good. All right, guys, you see that? You see how pretty that looks? And we did this together. You were right there with me. Simple, easy. As I say, inside your refrigerator, you have something left over. You can always use it to make something else different. So in the kitchen this week, see what you got? Some pepper steak with some marinated. What it marinated? Red stripe beer. Totally different. So it's gonna have a nice red stripe beer flavor to it, and you're gonna definitely enjoy it. You can also use Guinness. You can use Guinness Stout. You can use Heineken, but I use red stripe beer. So this week, pepper steak. Keep it locked in the kitchen. Catch you next week.
Thanks for watching Come Chat With Me. See you next week.
Jamaica is a nice place to live. We have everything, the sunshine, the rivers, and the good Ray and Neville rum.
Simply kills.
Come chat with me.